Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and today's video, it's another unboxing for you today, and it is Birchbox. March's Birchbox is here, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. So we are going to jump straight into it because I've literally not got very much longer left of free time to film, so let's get on it. Let's open her up. Wait, there we go. And let's see. Ooh, we got a stripy box. Okay, let's slide her out. Oh, wow. Oh, I love the box. Love the artwork on that box. Just try and get my camera to focus. There we go. That is awesome. I love it. And it's a little drawer again. I do like these. I'm going to stick all mine together to create like a little chest of skincare products. Let's open it up. Let's see what we've got in here. So Birchbox is £10 a month plus £2.95 postage and packaging. I've been getting this now for, I think this is my 4th box, and they generally tend to do sample sizes. You do sometimes get full-size items, but generally speaking, this is more a box to introduce you to new brands and new products. So it's sort of deluxe sample sizes is generally what we get. We also get a little leaflet inside that tells us what we've got and the values of it, and we've also got a sneak peek for next month, for April, and it is the brand Kinda. It's a mood balm, full size, and we get to choose either Positively Pink or Sorbet Serenity. There we go. So I'll show you that. There's the sneak peek for April. They do this with Birchbox if they're going to give us, you know, if they've got 2 or 3 shades of something, whether it's a lip balm, a lipstick, a liquid eyeshadow, whatever, we do get an email that tells us we need to go and choose which one we would like. So you can personalise it slightly that way, which I think is awesome. So we're just going to dive in. I shall be referring to the leaflet as we go along. Okay. First item in the box is by the brand Daily Concepts. We've had a couple of cleansing sponges from these. Really like them, actually. And it's an exfoliating dual texture scrubber. Clinically, allergy and dermatologically tested. Get in. Perfect for travel and all skin types. And this is the mild one. Here we go. I'll show you that. Oh yeah. Ooh, that feels nice. So you've got a rough side on there, on one side, and then this side is like a terry toweling type feel to it. You've got a little handle there. So yeah, I mean, I suppose you could use it as a facial one, but it is quite large, but it's probably better as a body buffer, basically. That's really nice, really handy to use. Great for using with your shower gels or your body scrubs. It makes your products go longer, or last longer, I should say. And it helps give you a gentle exfoliation at the same time. Really like that. It is a full-size product and it's worth £6.95. So that's item number 1. Item number 2 is from the Balance Me skincare range. I do like this skincare range. I've had a couple of items from them so far. And oh, it's a vitamin C repair serum. Now, funnily enough, I use a vitamin C serum from the Body Shop, and I'm about halfway down it at the moment. So this is awesome. I do like vitamin C for my skin. This is obviously a deluxe sample size, or a sample size. The full size RRP of this product is £32. Yeah, really, really nice. Let's have a look. I'm going to swatch a little on my hand. Oh, you can smell there's a little bit of vitamin C in there, because obviously vitamin C you get like an orangey scent. Just popped a small amount on. Little goes a long way. Oh yes, there we go, there's that orangey. Wow, that smells divine. Oh, very, very nice. my goodness, that's sunk in straight away. I always find with vitamin C serum, your skin feels so silky smooth and soft once you've applied them, and this feels exactly the same. So that will go upstairs and ready and waiting for when my Body Shop one is empty. Now it doesn't, let me have a look, let me see. I think the full size product is a 30ml bottle. So if we've got 7ml here, we've got about a quarter of a size. So if we take the RRP of the full size is £32, a quarter of that is £8. So this sample is worth about £8. That's pretty darn good. Pretty darn good. Excellent. Okay, what have we got here? All right, this is by the skincare brand Lumen. It's a Nordic Hydration Recovery Aerating Gel Mask. Okay, so it's a little sample size of a gel face mask, I assume. Oh, it's sealed. Okay. I'm not quite sure whether or not I want to open it or not, because I have got several masks, facial masks going off at the moment. This is a 15ml sample, so that's really nice. Now Lumena are meant to be a very, very nice and fairly expensive brand, so I'm very, very pleased that's in there. Now the RRP of the full size product is £19.90, but I can't see how big that is. So if I can find out how big the full size product is online, and if I can work out roughly how much this 15ml sample is worth, I shall pop it on screen down below for you. But that is item number 3. Item number 4 is this. Ooh, okay, this is another full-size item. That's awesome. And it's by the brand The Beauty Crop. It's the Wing Woman Liquid Eyeliner, and the RRP of this is £14. It's all sealed and everything. I assume it's black. It looks like it's cruelty-free, this brand, so that's good. And black eyeliners are black eyeliners. I always love getting black eyeliners from different brands, so you can test them out and try them. So I'm not going to open that. I'm not going to, it's all sealed and everything, because obviously once you've opened products, they start the oxidizing and going off process. So I'm going to keep that in the best condition possible, and when I get round to trying it, I shall let you know. That's item number 4. And the last item in the box, this was the sneak peek from last month, and this is the Forgive Me Susie liquid eyeshadow. And we had a choice of 3 different colours, and I chose the shade Love Letter. I do like liquid eyeshadows. I think they're fantastic. I really, really do. I know a lot of people are not so keen on them, but I think they're great. They're so easy. If you want to literally bop something on dead quick for doing literally a 10-15 minute full makeup look, I don't think you can beat liquid eyeshadows, because you literally just go bop like that, blend it in, bush, done. You're out the door. They're amazing. This is again another full-size product, so we've got 3 full-size products in this month's box and just 2 deluxe sample sizes, so that's really good value. And the RRP of this is £8. Now then, let's have a look. Let's see. Come on, camera, focus. Quite a nice small doe foot on there. Again, good for getting on the eyes. And it's also sort of slightly tapered. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's on like a slight angle. Let's give this a swatch and see what we think. Now, I was going to say, I tried to get sort of, a sort of paler champagne-y type colour, and I think that's I think I've chosen okay there. There's like a slight pink hue to it, but it's certainly not as dark, because there was one that was a real coppery colour, and I know I've already got a liquid eyeshadow in that sort of colour. So yeah, I'm pleased to have that, and I'll be interested to try it out. And I'm going to now round up the box, add it all up, and give you my final thoughts. So we have the full-size liquid eyeshadow worth £8. We have the liquid eyeliner worth 14, that's 22. We have the full-size body scrubber, that's worth £7. So that's 29 in total. I'm getting right with that, aren't I? Yeah, 29. £29. We do know that this repair serum is worth about £8, so that's about 37. So, and then there's this, which obviously right at this moment in time, I'm not quite sure what the value of about £42 worth of products in this month's box, and I've paid 13 for it. That's not bad, is it? Yeah, I'm actually really, this box is for me, yeah, a bit more interesting actually. I like the fact we've got the skincare, you've got the mask. Love the fact we've got a vitamin C serum in there. That's the first one of those I've received in a subscription box, and I'm very, very pleased to have that. The liquid eyeshadow, great. Couple of eye makeup items with the liner as well. Again, you know, liquid eyeliners, they can be classified as a bit boring because there are a lot of subscription boxes. And I love this. I love the fact that we do generally kind of get something like this, like a beauty tool or something like that with Birchbox. I do find that they do curate their boxes quite nicely. I love the packaging that they come in. So yeah, that liquid eyeshadow, my God, that's dried down now. And that ain't going nowhere, ladies and gentlemen. Look, I'm really rubbing. I'm trying to get it to shift. No, I've got a wee bit come off on my finger. So yeah, really, really pleased with that box. But anyway, let me know your thoughts and feelings down in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. As always, if you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. I would love it if you could consider subscribing, either by the red button down there or the little icon with my face in it, which is going to appear here shortly. I do unboxings, I do makeup looks, I do palette bingos, makeup product reviews, skincare product reviews, and some new things, some new ideas that are coming out this month. So keep your eye open for those. Make sure your notifications are turned on. I upload approximately 3 or 4 times a week. I think that's everything for today's video. I'm now going to go and get myself a lovely cup of tea, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye!